Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to schedule post on Facebook page. All right, let's begin. First, open Facebook and make sure you are signed in. Click your profile icon in the top right corner, select See All Profiles, and choose the Facebook page you want to manage. Once you are switched to your page, click your page name in the top left corner. From the left side menu, scroll down and select Meta Business Suite. Inside Meta Business Suite, click Content from the left navigation. Next, click Create Post in the top right corner. Now you can start creating your post. Add text for your caption, upload photos or videos if needed, and include relevant hashtags. Scroll down to Scheduling options and turn Scheduling on. Choose the exact date and time you want the post to go live. You can also select active times to see when your audience is most active. After that, decide if you want to share the post to your story and set the privacy option to public. Finally, click Schedule and wait a few seconds. To check it, go back to Content and select Scheduled to view all scheduled posts. So that's basically how you can schedule post on Facebook page. That's it for this video. Thanks.